All right, everyone. Here we are with ticker symbol AMD, Advanced Micro Devices Inc. And before we jump into this chart, I want to say welcome to all my first-time viewers and investors. Welcome to my channel, Invest for Tomorrow. To all my subscribers, I want to say thank you. Thank you for your support and recognition to my efforts, as well as your feedback. I hope to continue to relay nothing but great information, helpful and informative information, and nothing less from my end to you guys. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into this chart. Very bearish run. Obviously, it all started once it crossed the 50-day moving average here on September 2nd, and it's been falling since. We have been going on a downward trend here, seeing the bears completely keeping the control and testing newer lows. I mean, it hit new lows today. At the beginning of the day, it slightly recovered and leveled off. This leveled off at 78.64, and our support level is not that far from it. It's a couple cents away. It's actually 78.57. This is a really close one. So if the bears continue to break through support, and they do break through the support of 78.57, the next support level, which is the lowest point of the day, is 77.67. I write that down. If 77.67 gets broken through, this is definitely going to be dominated by the bears, even if the bulls reappear, because they're going to keep it further away from the 50-day moving average and may even test newer support levels and newer lows. So that's something to pay very close attention to. I can't emphasize that enough. The support level here is 78.57, and then after that, the real low of the whole entire day, and as we see in this chart, is 77.67 in the last couple of days and for today's chart. So bear that in mind and keep that in mind. If the bears continue to bring this down further away from the 50-day moving average, they're going to continue to maintain control. And the 50-day moving average is 80.75. I'd write that down as well. As long as it stays below 80.75, bears are in control. Now, for the bulls are going to want to break through resistance. And this is the highest point before the fall. The highest point in the day after the recovery from the low was 81.87. But that is not something to pay close attention to right now. 80.87 is the most important point that needs to be crossed by the bulls, and by doing so, they broke through the 50-day moving average of 80.75. They broke the resistance, turned it into support, and they can start to work their way up to newer highs. So keep that in mind and bear that in mind, that by the bulls breaking through resistance and turning into support, they broke through the 50-day moving average and they broke through the highest point before the fall. If they can turn that into support, they're back into bullish territory and they can start to hit newer highs and hit newer resistance levels. This is going to be very interesting to see how it plays out tomorrow. Hope that with these cues, you guys can make your own rational decisions as investors, and it means you all well. If you guys feel inclined or encouraged to subscribe, don't forget to click on the bell so that you guys can turn on all notifications and not miss a single video that I post. Share this with your friends and community. Don't forget to hit the like button and let me know you watched this video. And thank you guys so much for watching. Let's make some money.